Hi, my name is Mayur. In this series, we are discussing about MGD Outliers package and its Outlier Ninja class. In this video, we will learn about how we can drop outliers using Outlier Ninja. So let's begin. Before we start, let me quickly walk you through the setup. I have imported basic libraries and car crash dataset from CBOM. Using these box plots, we can also see the outliers in the data. You can see here alcohol column and not distracted column have outliers. So next we will learn how to drop these outliers within few seconds without any complicated code. First, let me import Outlier Ninja class and also create an object and train this object. Using this object, let's quickly find out how many outliers are there. To do this, we will use plot outlier count method. So outliers dot plot outlier count, and if I run this, here we can see that alcohol column and not distracted column have outliers. Let's also quickly detect where these outliers are hiding. So for that, I will call detect outlier method on this object and I will pass the column name. So outliers dot detect outliers. Let's say I want to drop outliers in alcohol column. So I will pass alcohol here, and when I run this, I will get a styler object uh, with rows where the outliers are present in alcohol columns. So you can see at index 26th, 34th and 40th there are outliers. Now comes the main part. I want to drop these outliers from the dataset. It's very simple. We just need to call drop outliers method on the object and pass the column name. So it goes like this. Now to pass the column names as a list. So I will create a list with just one column name. And you will get the new data frame where if you observe the row index 26th, 34th and 40th are missing. So you can, if you come here and see, the 26th is missing, 34th is missing and 40th is missing. So these rows are dropped. Only thing is that it will not override the existing dataset. To do so, you have to store it in the same variable. So I will just call this as data, so it will override my original dataset. So this was a short demo on how you can use the drop outliers method. I recommend you to try this and compare results with your manual processing, and do share your experiences with me and others on how you find this. Alright, this was the last video in the Outlier Ninja class. The next video will be the last from this series. We will discuss shortly about limitations of Outlier Ninja. So see you there. Thanks for watching.